Yes, engine is out, but you will fly it, na?
And I call them.
Okay. Hello, Uncle Gecko? Please come, hurry. Yes, aeroplane is out. Yeah, engine is out. It's broken. Yes, please come, hurry. Pilot Ibrahim is waiting. Ibrahim, you are the pilot, na? You're the pilot? Yes, police shoes, but you're the pilot of this jet, na?
I'm wrong.
Yeah, it's broke, but you're the pilot, na?
The fix it.
Yes. Gecko uncle will fix it and you will fly it?
Sit that man. Fly.
Yes, you will fly.
Broken.
Yeah, it's broken. Right now it's broken. You can sit over there. You want to sit in the seat?
No, I'm wrong.
Yeah, it's broke. I know. I can understand. It's broke. Oh my god.